Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the More app and immediately signing in. Use your email or SSO to avoid later delays. Once done, grant mic, storage, and notifications so features run smoothly. Next, create or select your primary profile and set one default project. This keeps navigation simple. Make sure to sync settings now to prevent lost changes. Syncing also preloads assets for offline use. These first steps get you into the workflow fast and stop interruptions before they happen. Now you move into the main workflow. Tap the plus button to create a new item, choose a template, and fill required fields. This sets structure and avoids rework. Then use the inline editor for quick edits and add tags plus priority percentages so items sort predictably. Once content looks right, rely on automatic draft saves. However, export manually to CSV or $formatted reports when sharing. This sequence keeps your workspace tidy and makes collaboration reliable. To finish, review your item list and mark completed tasks or archive old entries to keep focus. Once tidy, run a final sync and confirm backups exist. Export copies for external use. If something goes wrong, say a sync error, first restart the app, then clear the cache and reauthorize permissions. That resolves most issues. If performance lags, reduce active plugins. By ending with these steps and one clear troubleshooting path, you close the loop and prevent repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.